Good morning. Today we can discuss the construction of cam profile for a radial cam. Already we discussed the first part of the question. I will read that question once again. A cam is give the following motion to a knife edge follower. 1. Outstroke during 60 degree of cam rotation. Dwell for the next 30 degree of cam rotation. Return stroke during the next 60 degree of cam rotation and dwell for the remaining 210 degree of cam rotation. The stroke of the follower is 40 mm and the minimum radius of the cam is 50 mm. The follower moves with uniform velocity during both outstroke and return strokes. Draw the profile of the cam when the axis of the follower passes through the axis of the camshaft. And second condition, the axis of the follower is offset by 20 mm from the axis of the camshaft. Here in the previous video we already discussed the first part of the question. And in this video we can discuss the second part of the question. Here the axis of the follower is offset by 20 mm from the axis of the camshaft. We can discuss that part here. First, as usual, we have to draw the minimum radius of the cam, or we have to draw a circle with the radius is equal to minimum radius of the cam. Here that radius is given as 50 mm. Then first draw a circle with 50 mm radius. 50 mm radius, we can easily draw a circle with radius is equal to 50 mm. Then this point is the center. Next, we have to draw the offset circle. Here the axis of the follower is offset by 20 mm from the axis of the camshaft given as that follower is offset by 20 mm from the axis of the camshaft. So in the next step we have to draw the offset circle. Here the radius of the offset circle is 20 mm, and draw the offset circle with the radius is equal to 20 mm. This is the second step. Here radius of the first circle, the outer circle is 50 mm, the minimum radius of the cam, and the radius of the second circle is the 20 mm, or the radius of the offset circle. Then next, first draw a horizontal line, horizontal construction line. Then we have to draw the initial position of the follower, knife edge follower. That initial position of the knife edge follower is 20 mm, offset by 20 mm, or this is at a distance of 20 mm away from the camshaft. So this is the initial position of the knife edge follower, and that axis is offset by 20 mm from the shaft of the cam. Okay, next, connect the center and the initial position by a construction line. Then next, draw a line or draw a radial line which is at a distance of 60 degree or 60 degree out of phase with the initial line, or that angular displacement is known as the outstroke angle, theta outstroke. Then we can draw that particular line, and from this line to this line, that angular displacement is outstroke. Then next, we can draw the dwell period. Next 30 degree rotation is dwell. This angle is equal to 30 degree, and that is equal to theta dwell 30 degree. Next 60 degree. Next 60 degree is the return stroke of the cam return stroke, then we have to draw that 60 degree here, 60 degree we can draw that 60 degree up to this particular line, and that is equal to return stroke theta r. Then remaining 210 angle and 210 degree is the dwell period. This angle is equal to theta dwell. Then divide this outstroke into 6 equal parts. 6 equal parts, as we discussed in the previous video. We can divide this outstroke into 6 equal parts. 6 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then draw an offset line then draw a line which is tangent to the offset circle which is passing through 1. Draw a line which is tangent to the offset circle and which is passing through 1. Draw another line which is passing through point 2 and also tangent to the offset circle. Then draw another line which is passing through point 3 which is tangent to the offset circle. Then draw another line which is passing through 4 and tangent to the offset circle. Then draw another line which is passing through point 5 and tangent to the offset circle. Finally, draw a line which is passing through 6 and tangent to the offset circle. Then we can transfer the distance 1a from this displacement diagram to this particular figure. Transfer this 1a from displacement diagram to this particular figure. Then we can mark this 1a here through a line which is tangent to the offset circle. And this point will become A and this point will become B, 2b. We can transfer this distance 2b from displacement diagram to this particular figure. Similarly, 3c, 4d, 5e and finally 6f. Okay. Next 30 degree is dwell period, and the next 60 degree. After that dwell period, the next 60 degree is return stroke. We can again divide this circle, this part or this return stroke into 6 equal parts. 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this point will become 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then again draw a line which is passing through 6.6 and also tangent to the offset circle. Then draw another line which is passing through 5 and tangent to the offset circle. Draw another line. Repeat the same procedure for the entire points. Okay. Then next mark this distance 6f or transfer this 6f from this displacement diagram to this particular figure. 6f, then 5e, then 4d, then 3c, then 2b, 5, 1a finally, and 0. Then we can easily complete the cam profile by connecting this point 0, initial point of the knife edge follower. Then connect that 0 to point A, then B, C, D, E, F. Then draw a freehand curve which is connecting to this point F, E, E, D, C, B, A, 0. Then after that, during this dwell period, the cam profile will become along the circle. There is no lift during the dwell period. Then we have to use a freehand curve throughout the construction of the cam profile, or throughout the construction of the this particular drawing, and this is the final answer for this cam profile, final answer of the construction of the cam profile. Okay, this is the second part of the previous question, answer for the second part of the previous question. And this circle is known as base circle, and this circle is known as offset circle, and this distance is equal to offset distance. The initial portion of the this particular knife edge follower must be, or axis of the knife edge follower is offset by a distance of this 20 mm from this cam shaft, 20 mm, and this point will become O, or center of the cam, center of the cam. Okay, thank you all.